Good day to each and everyone. For Mathematics 8, Week 9A, Activity 1, we will be dealing with inductive and deductive reasoning. This is Mrs. Reina S. Corpus of Urdaneta City National High School. The learning competencies for this week is you are going to use inductive and deductive reasoning in an argument. Here are some points to remember. When we say reasoning, it is the process of thinking about something in a logical way in order to form a conclusion or judgment. This is according to English language learners' definition. We have two kinds of reasoning. The inductive reasoning, which make use of specific examples before arriving at a conclusion, and the deductive reasoning, which uses basic and general statements to prove more complicated statements. So, in other words, inductive reasoning starts with specific examples before a conclusion, while deductive reasoning starts with the general statement before specific examples. For activity 1, you are going to supply the conclusion and identify the kind of reasoning, whether it is deductive or inductive. For example, all girls wearing eyeglasses look smart. Mary Grace is wearing eyeglasses. So our conclusion would be Mary Grace looks smart. What kind of reasoning is this? Deductive. Why? Because we started with a general statement. For example number 2, Casey loves K-pop. She's a teenager. Abby loves K-pop also. She's a teenager. Our conclusion now will be all teenagers love K-pop. And our reasoning is inductive. Why? Because we started with specific examples like Abby and Casey. They are all teenagers before we arrive at the conclusion that all teenagers love K-pop. Do you understand now? Here are some important reminders for week 9. In writing your conclusion, you must base your answer from the given statements. If the statements start with specific examples, then the conclusion is a general statement and the reasoning is inductive. If the question is started with general statement and the conclusion is a specific example, the reasoning is deductive. So I hope you have learned something and stay tuned for the virtual instructions for week 9B. So this virtual instruction is not possible without the help of our math team, Mr. Manny Ancheta, Paula Bianca Cruz, Ofelia Mapatak, Rowena Palaming, and Miss Mary Grace Talbo. Again, have a nice day.